Good morning, children. Children, you see, it is the chapter number 11, States of India, part 2. Children, you see this food, Akhuni. Children, it is found in state Nagaland, and the spoken language is English. You see, it is Poropitha, children. Children, it is where you see in Odisha. The spoken language of Odisha is Odia, children. And you see Shorisho ka saag with makke ki roti, children. You see makke ki roti, and you see here Shorisho ka saag. Children, where you see in Punjab, and the language is Punjabi. Children, you see dal bati churma. Children, where you see in Rajasthan, and the language is Marwari. Now you children, you see this is Sisnu soup. Where you see children in Sikkim, and the language is Nepali. It is the food, the name is chicken chettinad. Children, it is where you see in Tamil Nadu. Children, and the language is Tamil. And you see children, it is Sarbapindi. Children, Sarbapindi, where you see in Telangana. Instead, Telangana you see it. And the language, the spoken language is Telugu and Urdu. Children, you see Muya Bhai 1. This food is found where you see in Tripura. And the language is Bengali. Children, now you see in the page number 40, you see Kakri kebabs. Children, where you see instead Uttar Pradesh, and the language is Hindi. Now you see Chensu. You see in Uttarakhand, and the language is Hindi. Children, you see Bhappa Ilis. Okay, children. Where you see in West Bengal, and the language is Bengali. Now, children, you see the food in Union Territories. These are the foods of Union Territories. Children, this food name is Mas Kebab. Where you see in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. And the language is Hindi and English. Now you see Tandoori fish. Where you see in Chandigarh. And the language is Punjabi. Children, you see jetty roll. Where you see in the Union Territory states. Children, what the name is Daman Diu Dadra Nagar Haveli. Children, and the language is Marathi, Gujarati and Hindi. You see another food, Pounak Bhel. Where you see this Daman Diu Dadra Nagar Haveli. Children, and the language is children, the spoken language is Konkani and Gujarati. Now you see children, Chola Bhature, children. Chola Bhatura, where you see in Delhi, National Capital Territory, children, and their spoken language is Hindi. Now you see children, Mutton Rogan Josh. Mutton Rogan Josh, where you see in Jammu and Kashmir, and the spoken language is Urdu. Children, it is the food. The name is Thukpa, where you see in Ladakh, and their language is children Ladakhi. Now children, open the page 42. You see the picture, it is the food, name is steamed garlic prawns. Children, you see in Lakshadweep, and their language is Malayalam and English. Now you see another food, children, Creole crevette. Children, where you see in Puducherry, and their language is children Tamil. Now you see the exercise, children. Question number 1, which language is spoken in these states? You see in the help box Punjabi, Bengali, Odia, English, Nepali, children. In 1A, you see Chandigarh. Children, the language is Punjabi. What you write? You write Punjabi. J-A-B-I, Punjabi. Then children, you see in question number 1B, West Bengal. So children, which language is spoken in this state? The Bengali. Children, you write B-E-N-G-A-L-I. Then children, in Odisha, the language is children, Odia. What to write? O-D-I-A. Children, in 1D Nagaland, the answer is what? The spoken language is children, English. What to write? E-N-G-L-I-S-H, English. And in Sikkim, the language is children, Nepali. What to write? N-E-P-A-L-I. My children, now you go for the page number 43. In question number 2, circle the name of some dishes given in the grid. Children, you see the grid. Now you see the what? The name of the dishes. Chensu. Where you see, children? You see first what? You see, where is C? Here is C. No. Here is C. Yes. What you do? You circle it. Chensu. C-H-I-N-S-O-O. Chensu. So children, like this, you encircle it. Okay. Then next number is jetty roll. Where is J? Where is J? So children, here is J. No. So children, you search it. Okay. Here is J. So children, you see it is jetty roll. What do? You circle it, children. Okay. Children, like this, you circle it. Okay. The next is Sarvapindi. Where is S? S. You see, children, it is Sarvapindi. So, what you do, children? S-A-R-B-A-P-I-N-D-I. It is Sarvapindi. You circle it, children. Then, children, Sishnu soup. Where is S? Children, you see, here is capital S. S. So children, you see Sishnu soup. So S-I-S-H-N-U-S-O-U-P. Sishnu soup. Children, you also spell like this and encircle it. Then musk kebab. Where is M? Where children, you see, where is M? Yes, here is M. You see, it is musk kebab. So children, spell like this. M-U-S-K-A-B-A-B. Musk kebab. Children, where you see musk kebab, children? Children, where you see? You see, children, musk kebab. You see, children, in Andaman Nicobar Island, you see musk kebab. Okay, children, and then, children, Ponak Bhel. Okay, children, where is P? You see, yes, here, P-A-U-N-K-B-H-E-L. Ponak Bhel. Children, where you see? You see in Dadra, Daman and Diu, Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Okay, children? So, children, now you see question number 3. Match the food with their pictures. Children, you see the picture and you see the name. Jetty roll, musk kebab, kakri kebab, then kakri kebab, Sarvapindi. Children, a jetty roll. So, children, where you see? Children, you see it is. Where you see? Children, you write A here. And where you see, children? Daman and Diu, Nagar Haveli, children. And musk kebab. Where is musk kebab? You children, you see it is musk kebab. Yes or not? Where you see? Children, you see children, it is Andaman Nicobar Island. You see musk kebab. So what to write, children? You write B. Here you see Andaman Nicobar Islands, children. Then see Kokri Kebab. Kokri Kebab, you see it is Kokri Kebab. Where you see, children? You see in where? In Uttar Pradesh, children. You see Kokri Kebab. Okay, children, Uttar Pradesh, and the language is Hindi. And you see, children, Sarvapindi. Children, you see it is Sarvapindi. Where you see? You see in Telangana. You see, children, it is Telangana, and the language is Telugu and Urdu. So, children, so you write C D A B. Okay, children, you do it and send to our WhatsApp group. Okay, children, thank you.